What's up, YouTube? Must have been a long time for a lot of work. But I'm gonna show y'all a little update on the truck, what we got so far. Alright, boom. I'll see it. We ain't got no more 24. We got 26 by 12. Let me get some 2-inch spacers. Y'all receive control arm, shocks. Don't got no sway bars, gonna put those on there. Mirror tint on the front of this thing. Tow mirrors, lights, and then I took everything else I had off here. Ended up going with the rough country front end. That's off a 6-inch lift. Took the axle out 2-wheel drive. Let me see. There we go. I got some fenders and doors for this jet. But yeah, and we got like these bulbs in this jet. And I got the Sierra grill. I like that jam better. Let me see. I ain't got switchbacks right here. There you go. Yeah, jam fire. Alright. Yeah, and I got a bunch of other videos. I just didn't get a chance to put them on, but as soon as I get a chance, I'm gonna put them on. This is a little snippet, and I got more to come. So, mail ticket over and out.